gumawa pala ako ng konting embutido na may hotdog. Ito yung ating nagawa na embutido ngayon. Yan, may sausage yan sa loob. Red hotdog. Ayun, o, yung red hotdog. Yan. Saan yung isa? Yun, ang ating red hotdog. In this embutido, there's no egg in the meat mixture. Only cornstarch as a binder. Okay naman siya. Look at that. No cheese also. This time it has green peas. And lots of raisins.